The wonder of Christmas is a joy to behold. It brings love and it brings happiness when relived and retold. Though in recent years, something has changed. The ethos and spirit is not quite the same. People still gather, still celebrate, still gift. But in the whirlwind of festivities, the message is missed.
Bring me more!
And when the meaning is lost, so too is the magic. The essence of Christmas and the power it holds must be relearned and reimagined, then countlessly retold. So if you have an invite, are you willing to come? To partake in our stories in exchange for some fun? I myself can't wait for your visit, as together we'll restore the true Christmas spirit. Ha 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 ha! Join us this Christmas at Eltham Palace for a festive adventure you'll never forget.